Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Eyes by Fashion with another content video. So today's video, I just want to show you guys some sandals and some spring summer foot apparel. And I just so happened to do a little shopping on my favorite shoe website, ShoeDazzle. So I have this big old box here. It's huge. That I'm going to do a ShoeDazzle unboxing. So if you guys are interested and want to see what kind of shoes I bought and how much I paid for them, stay tuned. And of course, make sure that you guys, if you're new here, to press that big old subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification so you can get alerted when I upload, guys. And most importantly, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Duh. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Make sure to stay connected with me on Instagram, Snapchat, the whole shebang. It's all gonna be listed down in the description box below, as well as popping up on the screen right about here. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Alright, so you guys can see that I'm legit just opening this box for the first time. So you guys know this is a real unboxing. This video is not sponsored, so all of my reactions and everything I'm telling you will be genuine. But hey, if ShoeDazzle, you want to sponsor your girl, go ahead and send me over some free shoes, because I love your shoes, guys. I love your shoes. Okie doke. So I bought 4 pairs of shoes. I don't know which one I'm gonna start with. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so I absolutely love their packaging. It's super cute. I'm a girly girl. I love my pink. It's a nice future bright pink. It's just like, oh, boop. Alright, so the first pair of shoes are flat sandals, Badra fuchsia color. So I'm legit reading off the box so you guys can see. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, so I have lately been super obsessed with the espadrille look, and I feel like for the past 2 summers they have been just coming out with more and more styles with that espadrille look. Of course they're not real espadrilles, because real espadrilles legit only have like this woven thing all over the shoe. It's not like a real espadrille. It'd be like straw all the way at the bottom too. But anyways, getting into the facts about the shoe. So these are my cute little sandals. They're fuchsia. They're like a suede. I absolutely love them. Strap up. So. And then you can just tie them up, so I love that. So you can wear this with solid colors. I also have like a cute polka dot like short set that I could wear this with to give it just like an extra pop of color, because it's like navy and white, so it can just do that boom pop of color. You guys know I'm all about basics with a pop of color to get your outfit getting right, so I really do love these guys. I got them in a size 10. So yeah, ShoeDazzle is pretty true to size. Most of the shoes don't come in half sizes, so I always go up a size. Oh yeah, pricing. It was a sale, so they had 50% off. It was Memorial Day. I bought these for Memorial Day, so they had 50% off of the whole site. I'm surprised I only bought 4 shoes. Like, it was crazy. Alright, so I paid about, their original price is $39.95. Most of their shoes are that pricing, but they had the 50% off sale, so I paid like $19.75. And shipping is free for VIP members. So yeah, I'm loving these shoes. I'm loving these. Alright, hopping right into the next pairs of shoes. actually loving this like blush tone, and this is just fab, so that's kind of weird. I guess they work together, but yeah. Ooh. Absolutely loving these guys. I've been dying for a pair of sandals like this. It has like a cute little gold heel. Do you guys see that? So cute. It's just a basic strap over sandal. Oh, and it has the gold. It has like the gold buckle detailing, so I'm absolutely loving this. I think this sandal would be perfect for work because I do work in a corporate setting and we could wear whatever we want, of course. It's not too strict, so I love that. It gives me like that little ooh, gold, like shiny, yeah. But I'm loving the gold buckles detailing as well as the gold heel. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving this. The name of this shoe, I think, is Asha. Yeah, I also got this in a size 10 as well. I feel like I always have to go, like I told you guys, up a size in sandals, especially when they're like this. A good thing about ShoeDazzle, they do have wide fit, which is great for people like me. However, these shoes didn't come in wide fit, so I had to get them in a 10. These were $32.95, so half of that, around $16.50, around that price. So yeah, guys, I'm absolutely loving these prices. And oh yeah, oh my god, you guys, I have been like super obsessed with mules ever since I got my first pair of mules from ShoeDazzle, the little red ones. I'll probably insert a clip over here of me wearing them. But if you guys have been keeping up with my videos, my last video that I did, like the menswear look, I had them on. I'm in love with them. They're so comfortable, they're so pretty, but the heel is kind of like big, just like a little too high for me to be wearing on a daily day basis. So I found these guys, the heel is way smaller, so I could wear them on like every day. I could wear them to work. I felt like the red ones weren't like too work appropriate, but I could make it pass, you know, I could finesse it. But these guys, I absolutely love the print on them. The floral print is super cute. The color, like this nice forest green and the pops of fuchsia and orange. I'm really loving the detailing on this mule. And then I love, like I said, that it has just a little heel, nothing too high. These guys retail on a regular basis for $19, like $19.95 I believe, but of course the sale, I got them for $10. So bruh, you guys have to go check ShoeDazzle out, because what are you guys waiting for? Do you want to keep paying for overpriced shoes? And I love that these shoes, I'm literally swearing by them just because I've bought a few and they last. Like, alright guys, hopping right into the last pair of shoes. I told you I did get 4. These are the Sonya. But again, I was really thinking of work. I had work in mind when I was purchasing all my shoes, because I'm like, I have so many cute pairs of sandals and shoes, but I don't feel like I want to wear them all to work. 1 and 2, some of them are not work appropriate, so I'm just like, you know, I need to do a revamp of my work shoe fashion. Yes, so I'm like, I have to think about that. So like I told you, I'm super obsessed with mules, so I got me this nice clean black pair. I love that it has like the double like wide strap detailing. The heel is chunky, so like emergency wants to go on right now, siren going on while I'm trying to record, siren thing going on, whatever. Back to the Sonyas. They're super cute. I love like the sole feels like nice and comfy, just like on my other guys, and the heel is chunky and nice, and it's not too high. Like I said, the other red mule that I have, I love it to death, but the heel is just a little too high to wear on an everyday basis. So yeah, I also want to get into this side detailing on this. Let me zoom in on that. So I don't, you see that little triangle there? So people like me who have wide feet, this little elastic part and the triangle is amazing because once you like slip your foot in, it like stretches out to your foot. Okay guys, so something unfortunate happened. The Sonyas do not fit. What the? Like, I'm so mad because that was like, I was going on and on about how ShoeDazzle is so good with the stretch, with the width, and I like just went online to see if I could like exchange them for a wide fit. Those shoes don't come in wide fit. Your girl is tight AF. Just because I was like really feeding for those shoes for work. Like I told you, majority of the shoes I will be using for work because it is summer and spring attire shoes, and I definitely thought those were gonna be like super bomb for work, and I'm sad now. But I'll update you guys probably later on in another video just to know what goes on as far as me exchanging them. I'm pretty sure like I'm gonna be able to exchange them, of course. They're not gonna give me a problem because I had to exchange shoes before on ShoeDazzle and it was never an issue. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. But otherwise, alright guys, so that was the last pair of shoes that I had. I hope you guys liked all the shoes and are gonna go and even just take a look. Just go take a look. Go fill out the little like, you know, about yourself, what kind of shoes you like, and just go check the website out. Just go check it out. Check it out. And I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like what you see if you liked everything on in this video, you know, of course. But I just want to thank you guys so much for continuing to watch my videos and for commenting. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment if you like a pair of shoes, if you need to ask me a question about my outfit. I don't care. Leave comments, leave good comments. No type of negativity over here. Positive vibes only. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.